Discover the joy of dog training, where psychology and master dog training meets play for a happier pup. Imagine you're embarking on a journey with your furry friend, not just any journey, but one that promises to strengthen the bond between you and your dog, all while unlocking levels of understanding and cooperation you never thought possible. This is the essence of dog training, a journey that mirrors the psychological exploration and balance Carl Jung delved into with the human psyche. Just as Jung discovered the power of acknowledging and integrating the unconscious with the conscious, in dog training, we strive for a harmonious balance between a dog's natural instincts and the behaviors we wish them to exhibit in our shared human world. It's about finding that sweet spot where your dog's personality shines through while they also adapt to the social norms of human life. Now, let's consider the emotionally toned complex Jung spoke of, but in the context of our canine companions. Dogs, like humans, have their complexes, often stemming from past experiences or a lack of exposure to different stimuli. Recognizing these complexes is the first step toward addressing them. Acknowledge your dog's fears, excitements, and quirks. It's through this understanding that we can start to work through them, not against them. The process of training your dog is akin to Jung's concept of the creative imagination, where opposites are united to create a new, balanced state of being. Think of it as guiding your dog from a state of confusion or misbehavior to one of understanding and harmony. This doesn't mean forcing them into submission, but rather finding a middle ground where both of you meet, understand each other, and work together towards common goals. Active imagination in Jungian terms involves engaging with the unconscious to bring forth new insights and resolutions. In the dog training world, we can liken this to creative problem-solving. When faced with a behavioral challenge, don't just stick to conventional methods if they're not working for your unique pup. Instead, engage your imagination. Think about what motivates your dog, what scares them, what makes them tick. Use this insight to invent new ways to communicate and connect with them. Remember, the goal of training is not to suppress your dog's natural instincts but to channel them productively. It's about creating a language that both of you understand, a language that respects your dog's nature while also teaching them how to live harmoniously in a human-centric world. This is where play and imagination come into the picture. Never underestimate the power of play and learning. It's not just about teaching commands, it's about engaging with your dog in a way that stimulates their mind, builds confidence, and strengthens the bond between you. In essence, dog training, when approached with a mindset inspired by Jungian principles, becomes more than just obedience work. It transforms into a deep, enriching dialogue between species, where emotional complexities are acknowledged, opposites are harmonized, and the journey itself becomes a path to mutual understanding and respect. So, as you embark on this training journey with your pup, remember to listen, understand, and connect. After all, the most profound transformations occur not through dominance, but through the power of connection and mutual growth.